Hello guys, today is a challenge lock. I have one from Mr Carlson. This is the Xenon challenge lock. It's H keyway. The key is mummified. I don't know what is the bidding, but I have tried to find the fast way to open, to pick. And this is with this pick. This is Das Ever pick. And I go try like this, counterclockwise, and with this pick. And it's picked. Yes, I know this bidding is the bidding is fit for this pick. I have tried to open clockwise, but it's very hard. And got the key. Okay, I want to see this bidding. Hey, I don't expect that. Well, okay. Very nice bidding key. Okay, where's the key? Here. Oh. Relax then. Relax. Okay. I think a naughty pin in the top here, because I see hole here. Okay, pin 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. All standard. This one has little groove in the first pin. Now see, this is the front. The one is okay. Front. Standard. Oh, look like mushroom. Spring. 3. Use a serrate. Now 4. 5. Spring. Wait, spring. And spool. 4. Well, in the Bible, what do I have here? 2 spread and 2 and 4 for jam this spool and the mushroom. Mr Carlson, thanks a lot for this very nice pick. It's very useful for the sledge. He push all and pass. Very nice on the keyway. Let's see the spin. Whoa! Spin the weight. Nice job on this challenge lock, Mr. Carlson. Thanks a lot for pick, and thanks for watching, guys.